everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey my loves, you guys can already tell that this is a room makeover video where I transform my small, minimal, little bedroom into a conducive space. I mean, you guys saw what the room used to look like before, and when I took the space. And when I saw it, I knew that I would definitely need to rework the space because I wanted to make it more conducive and, make it a more nicer place for me to live in. I wanted to be able to wake up and, want to walk in my space, want to feel at home in my space. And also because I know that I'll be taking content creation more seriously, I wanted a space that is conducive for me to create content. I wanted a space that is conducive for me to work. I wanted a space that's conducive for me to also relax. So yeah, that was why I decided to, re-modify to, give the room a little bit of face bit. Even though I was on a very tight budget, but I still had to do what I needed to do to make this a place where I would enjoy working, creating content, and living. So yeah, guys, let me show you around a few things that I got and how I bought them, so that if you're also looking to do a room makeover and my video gives you any form of inspiration, you know how to go about this thing. Let me start with this mirror right here. So this is my dressing mirror. I wanted a round dressing mirror where I am at my dressing table. There's something to look into, something to, smile at myself, something to make dressing up and working really comfortable. And I did not just buy these from, normal stores that sell deco items. So I had an artisan make this for me, which actually cut cost compared to just buying it from an already made space. The artisan who made this for me also made my long mirror, which we are gonna come to. So next on the list is the star of the show, my dressing table, which is also my work table, which is also my content creation filming space. So I had my local artisan make this. I had an idea of what I wanted and I showed him picture, and he took measurement. He came around to take measurement, and we decided on what I wanted before he went ahead to do it, which is also cheaper compared to having to make it from people that have big stores and all of that. So that's one of the ways by which you can cut costs. If you can't get local artisans to make things for you, you would be able to cut costs a lot. Just to ensure that you're on their neck, because they will stress you. So yeah, if you can get local artisans to do things for you, get them to do it. But you have to be on the neck because they will waste your time, they will stress you, and you have to keep going into their workshop, back to your space to ensure that they don't do rubbish. So yeah, that's that for this dressing table. And my dresser comes with 6 drawers. I wanted 6 drawers. The first one has my makeup stuff. Pardon the fact that everything looks scattered, messy, and it's not that clean. So the second space has my hair stuff. I don't really have that much hair stuff. I'm not really into hair, though I plan to take hair more seriously. But yeah, and the third space has stuff that things I need and things I don't need. I don't even know. I shall have a bunch of stuffs there. Okay, at the other side here, this space here has my skincare product. I'm a skincare girly. I am still getting better with skincare, but I really want to do more with skincare. Fingers crossed. Over here, the second part, I just have boxes of things that I bought, from microphone to hard drive to airpod, and a couple of my jewelry. And in this last space, I have books and books. On my table, I just have my system, my hard drive, because I work with them a lot. And I also have this vase which I got from Jumia. I am going to link it somewhere down below in case you want to get something like that. And I have the Pampas grass which I got from a cake store. And I have this candle which I actually picked up from the mall. So that's just it for the table. Yeah, I also have my work chair which I actually bought from Jumia as well. I am going to link it in the description in case you want to buy. So yeah, that's that for my work area. Okay guys, over here I have this ladder shelf which I wanted majorly because I want to be able to put maybe a book I'm reading, so that I can easily pick it while I'm on the bed. I also wanted to have my perfume and my teddy bear. So yeah, I have this ladder shelf. A local artisan make this for me as well. The person who made my dresser, my work table, make this as well. And because I have a lot of books, I just have books filled up, filled up, filled up. So I'm just using the second step for perfume, and I have my baby, my teddy bear up here, but the other space is filled up with books. And moving on from the ladder shelf is my bed, the space where I get to lay my head when I'm done for the day. And yeah, I just have a mattress that I got from a mattress store, and I have my bed frame that was also done by the same artisan that made my dresser. And I specifically wanted one that has like a little shoe rack, because I knew I did not want to get a shoe rack in my room. So I personally drafted out what I wanted for the bedroom so that I can have space where I can keep my shoes. It cannot take all of my shoes, but it took like quite a good number of my shoes, and I just have others in other places. But I wanted something that can take some of my shoes, and I got that. And I really, really like the fact that this bed frame serves its purpose and is just a very nice place for me to sleep, relax, and enjoy myself after I'm done working here. So now let's move to the other side of the room. Over here I have my wardrobe, not a very big one, but I did manage it enough to let it take like necessary clothes and all of that. And here I have my double pole hanger, which I got from Jumia. I will also link it in the description in case you're looking to get something like this. And it has a space under that can take my shoes, and I just love it. I actually hang my towel here, but it's not here right now. So, and I also made this what's it called, what is floating shelf for my bag, so that I don't have to be hanging them all around and around, so I could just put them on the floating shelf. So guys, this is my full length mirror. This mirror saves me a lot. Like, I can see my full outfit, I can stand in front and take mirror selfies. I really like this mirror, and of course I did not get it from an expensive decor store. I had the artisan who made my round dressing mirror make this long mirror as well, and I really, really like it. Finally, moving on to the quality curtains in my room. I have two windows, one on the side, one on the side where my bed is, and I got these curtains from the market. I did not have to go through people who, have to buy it, come and fix it, and then the price will be on the higher side. I had to go to the market myself, get the curtains, and then just have them fixed in the house. So basically, that was how I cut costs, trying to set up my room on a budget, just getting local artisans, going to the market, just trying to get all of these things from more cheaper source as opposed to having to spend so much on them. That was how I was able to achieve my small minimal room space on a budget. That's it for my small minimal room makeover. I just wanted to show you guys because of other small creators like me who are starting out, and in the field you need to have everything in place before they get started. Honestly, it doesn't have to be that way. Start with little things, start with making little changes, start with what you have available, and just making it work, tweaking one or two things here and there to make it conducive and useful for you. It's not until when you go and take an apartment of 6 million before you start creating content. It's not until when you buy the most expensive camera before you start creating content. Tweak what you already have. Plan a little budget, a very minimal budget, and fix things around you to make it work and fit into your budget. You can definitely get started. I really hope that this video inspires you to give your space that little extra, renovation it needs for you to get started, that little renovation that will ginger you, because your space is actually a very big part of you. And I get it when you want your space to be together, but honestly, you can make do with what you have by just, doing one or two things here and there. Make a space conducive, make it beautiful, make it homely, make it welcoming for you, make it a place where you want to be, do everything you want to do. Okay, guys, that's it basically. I hope this video helped you to, do what you want to do and get started. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.